Hello guys, I'm Rudy. Today I'm gonna teach you how to create UI Dashboard Infographic with RTMKit. But first of all, you need to install RTMKit first. You need to install RTMKit in your plugin. Here, add plugin, and search RTMKit. And here's RTMKit that you need to install and activate it at time from builder also. And after that, you create page and edit with Elementor. And let's get started. First, you create grid, 3 grid, and add element. You go to contour, and you copy paste contour, paste it also here, and after that you create flexbox. You add element, you go to bar chart, drag and drop, and after that you create grid, 2 grid, add element, and drag line chart, and after that you go again, you drag and drop pie chart, and you just need to edit it with data that you have. Like this one, you can change the icon, and the number is the number that you can edit. And you can change the name. You can change the icon also with RTM icon. Like this one, insert, and we can do the same as well. And this one also you can edit it with the data that you have. You can change the name, population, you can change the data here, and you can add more data as well. And down for the line chart, you can change the data, for example 80, and you can change it in another stuff also, 150. Here also pie chart, we can edit it, the data severity. We can change the color also. Yeah, here's the UI dashboard infographic that you can make using RTMKit. Don't forget to install it to your website. Thank you. RTM